Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Fragment Design Nike Dunk High in the wine black colorway. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up when you want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take the time to thank you subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's get into it. Today, we've got a look at, in my opinion, it's one of, and for me, it's sneaker of the year. Easy. And we've got a look at the Nike Dunk High, the Fragment Design collaboration, and we got this in a wine black colorway. We got this in a UK size 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. And it comes in the premium black Nike box, which I love to see. And let's get into it, and I'm so excited because they are beautiful. It's so nice. It's just, I wish, you know what, I'll get into story time later. Just let me put it down first. So for those that don't know, Fragment Design is Hiroshi Fujiwara's company. It's his streetwear brand, and without him, there is no A Bathing Ape, there is no Undercover, because Hiroshi Fujiwara, he is the mentor, he still is, like, I mean, he wasn't back in the 90s, but he's the mentor of Nigo and Jun Takahashi of Undercover and Bathing Ape, respectively. He's like Nigo, you know what I mean. But yeah, Fragment Design, they hit the streets. They're in Harajuku and so famous in regards to streetwear, and you'll always find that logo. Just, it's beautiful, isn't it? You'll find it in all the greatest clothings, in my opinion. But let's get into this review. So we'll start with the outsole. So it's an all rubber outsole. It's got a typical dunk patterning, which is similar to an Air Jordan 1, but it's a bit, the angles are a bit different to an Air Jordan 1. Moving along on to the midsole unit. So it's an all white midsole collar. And if you look at the imprint that is there, so along the side, it's a lot of text, but what you're seeing here are the drop dates. So the release, the season, which is spring summer 21, you got the SKU number, you got the name of the sneaker as well, and just to round it off, you got that it's Fragment Design. Moving along onto the upper, it's an all leather upper. It's beautiful. It's in this lush purple black colorway. Where these sneakers originally came out in 2010, they were part of a city pack. So you have the Beijing, so this purple, wine and black colorway, this is the Beijing pack, the New York pack, and you have the London pack. In my opinion, this was the better sneaker colorway, and it's a bit different, these ones, these spring summer 21s, because they come in the one color blocking, whereas the one that came out in 2010, those have different color blocking. So where, as I mentioned, the color blocking are the same on both left and right. In the 2010 pair, the left pair had purple outlays and black underlays on the sneaker. But it's great to see that Nike and Fragment decided to keep it that one block colorway. And in my opinion, it's just easier to wear and it's more uniform. And I like that when it comes to sneakers, unless you're wearing like the What The series. Anyway, so that's enough about the heritage of this sneaker. And so we look at the toe box, you got a lot of perforations there. We're looking at the medial and the lateral side, so you got the black swoosh on the medial, and on the lateral side, embossed is the Fragment Design logo at the heel. And in my opinion, like anything with that I need. So the Air Jordan 1 Fragments, my God, those are one of my grails. I wish I was able to get a pair, but I'm not willing to fork out. I saw them currently go for like 7 to 10 grand. Yeah, so that's why I'm more happy I was able to get these Dunk Fragments. Going along to the lacing system, so you got a typical normal lacing system. And what I love about Dunks, more than the Air Jordan 1, is that these Dunks come pre-tied and they're already laced up, ready for use. Going along onto the collar, so if you look at the ankle support here, it's more cushions. Obviously these are made for basketball, but for those that don't know, I've mentioned it in a lot of our dunk videos, but the Nike Dunk silhouettes, they don't have any air systems in it, so there is no air cushioning in the midsole, which is a shame, but you know, these are still dope as is. I mean, people did still play basketball in dunks. And that rounds off my review. I can't wait to try these on, and as soon as I try these on, I'm gonna hit the streets. It's not Harajuku where we are now, but I'm gonna pretend it is, because this is just a beauty to have. And if you're an avid sneaker collector like myself, getting a pair of the Holy Trinity, so of HTM, Hiroshi, Mark Parker, and Tinker Hatfield. So they make HTM, that's Nike's like premium, that is the best of the best when it comes to silhouettes, designed by Hiroshi Fujiwara, as I mentioned. Tinker Hatfield and Mark Parker is Mark Parker. I think I said Taylor. If I said Taylor, I didn't mean that. It's Mark Parker. So just to have one of the HTM guys right here, it's just exciting in and of itself. So I can't wait to try these on. Let's do this. Let us go. Totally forgot to mention, guys, that on the insole of this beautiful sneaker as it is, you've got the Fragment Design logo right here. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 and these are great for me. My toes are where they need to be. But if you want a more snug fit, I would suggest going a half size down. It'll be a bit tight, but if you want that lockdown, that's all for you, innit? I can't wait to hit the streets in these. I'm in Tottenham right now, not Harajuku, but I'll pretend. Before we give you that 360, I am wearing the Nike cargo pants. So hit up Nike if they still got it in stock. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.